A leading global toothpaste brand endorsed by the Nigerian Dental Association is set to engage 1 million children in Nigeria on the importance of oral health. The children will be reached through the education of school programs with emphasis on the importance of brushing day and night. We have more in this report.
Oral conditions are among the most widespread chronic diseases in the world, affecting 3 out of 5 children. In Nigeria, Pepsodent is taking the lead to fight this disease by teaching children from an early age the habit of brushing right, that's twice daily. In commemoration of the World Oral Health Day, Pepsodent has reached more than 5 million children across the country through its school program over the years. It gets better this year. Pepsodent hopes to reach and educate 1 million children, give Nigerians access to free dental consultation online, and offer mobile dental clinic in communities.
Over the years, Pepsodent, as the official global partner, has been consistent in raising awareness about the benefits of good oral hygiene and the prevalence of tooth decay. We're pleased today to officially kick off our activities for this year's celebration. The theme for this year's celebration is "Don't wait until it's too late. Talk to a dentist." At Unilever, we are very committed to doing business in a sustainable way. We are taking the lead in driving positive habit change by reinforcing the importance of brushing twice daily.
We're passionate about children, we're passionate about families, we want to give people the best. Unilever as an organization is a sustainable organization. Our vision is to make sustainable living commonplace. So with each of our brands, we try to drive that vision, and that's why we're very passionate about trying to stop children from being able to go to school because of oral care diseases. Our products give that solution.
Compared with other oral care products, Pepsodent offers triple protection for one's teeth, providing anti-cavity protection, whitening, and fresh breath.
It's important that people start taking their oral health conditions very seriously. What happens generally is that people wait to go to the dentist only when they have very serious and severe oral health conditions. And so we've decided to, emphasize on the importance of speaking to a dentist early, taking care of your oral health preventively, so which is the brush day and night, brush twice, visit your dentist 2 times a year, and it will.
We are partnering with Unilever to actually do mobile dental clinics in neighboring, in hard-to-reach areas, so that those in the rural areas can actually access dental clinics.
World Health Organization recommends a dentist population ratio of 1 dentist to 7,500 people. However, according to statistics, Nigeria, with about 200 million people, has about 6,000 dentists registered with the Nigerian Dental Association. This partnership is working to help bridge that gap.
In Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodinma has described the recent violent act in the state as politically motivated. The governor gave the remark to State House correspondents after responding to summons by President Muhammadu Buhari. Taya Modu reports.
Imo State has been the hotbed of attacks by unknown gunmen who have focused their attacks on government facilities and prominent citizens. There appeared to be a lull in these activities, which is why the recent spate of violence leading to the destruction of buildings and assets of the police and the home of Professor George Obiozor, the President General of Ohaneze, Ndigbo, came as a surprise. It prompted President Muhammadu Buhari to summon Governor Hope Uzodinma to a meeting on Monday afternoon over the latest developments in Imo State. Also summoned to separate meetings with the President were the Minister of Power, Abubakar Aliyu, and the Chief Economic Advisor, Professor Duni Salami, over issues in the power sector and the state of the economy. And after the meeting with the President, Governor Uzodinma told State House correspondents that the President had taken his recommendations seriously, immediately approving an increase in the manpower of security agencies in Imo State.
Increase in manpower to security agencies, and then other logistic supports ranging from additional arms and ammunition, and also we are making use of our local vigilante and the involvement of community leaders to ensure that through community arrangement, additional security is provided to the people.
He insists violence in Imo State is politically contrived, but sees no reasons for such grievances, given the strides made by his administration to uplift the state.
If you don't want peace, you can call your brothers, come, let us discuss together. That is number one. Number two is publicly and privately. You hear me every day appeal to our people, let us protect our place. Let us rescue our place. Let us restore confidence in our people. Let us be a more responsive government that will be all-inclusive.
The Imo governor is optimistic that given measures put in place, working with security agencies, those behind the political violence will soon be unraveled. Tai Amudu, TVC News, Abuja.
Away from that, the oil spill that occurred in the wellhead in OML 150 affecting 9 communities in Sapele and Okpe Council areas of Delta State has been linked to equipment failure. The people in that community are now calling on government to prevail on the oil company to alleviate the losses. This call is coming more than a month after the incident. Ikena Mechi reports.
Waiting here for the arrival of the representatives of the regulatory agencies and the oil company are members of the communities in Okpe and Sapele local government areas affected by the crude oil spill. After more than 5 hours, the team arrived. The joint investigation team had a brief meeting with members of the affected communities over what might have caused the spill. Though the team declined to speak to journalists on the outcome of the investigation, the affected communities are quick to reveal the finding of the team.
From the investigation so far, it is very, very obvious that the cause of the spillage is as a result of equipment failure on the part of the wellhead. So that is the cause of the oil spillage.
Meanwhile, the people of the affected communities are still appealing for aids from relevant agencies as the spill has damaged their source of livelihood.
Since last month, February 2022, there's no water from that community, and the water is the source of our livelihood. That's water we drank. Up till now, there's no water, no relief material, nothing whatsoever. So I want to please beg the federal government to come to our aid of rescue, that they should bring relief material to clean the rivers and do the needful in paying compensation. Purification created in the waterways. You can see it that all of these vegetations are stained with crude oil, and the impact of it is that there will be dieback of all this vegetation, and then water has been polluted, implying that the people may need to now go and source for alternative water. This is where they use for their drinking. This is what they use for their domestic activities.
So we are calling on the government to intervene so that they should come and attend to the issue.
Now that the investigation visit is done, next is to know the commensurate actions to compensate the communities and save the environment from further degradation. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Sapele, Delta State.